All right, quartz fans, here we are again. Here I am looking at one of my pieces of whatever it is, right? Glass, some people say quartz, I mean, there's all kinds of things, and I say it's a piece of carbon. Diamond, not one of those little De Beers diamonds, but a real diamond, one of my diamonds. And it's a nice one, it's a nice color. And so, how do you tell? I mean, if I tell you it's a diamond, and De Beers says, well, he's full of shit, which I am actually, kind of. I've been doing that all day, and I'm a little fragile feeling, so I'm making a video instead of moaning and groaning. So, how do you tell? First thing you do is turn off the light. Okay. And we're going to take this and we're going to use a red laser. See the little red thing? Okay. I'm going to go boom, and the whole thing lights up red. Okay. Alright, so you can kind of see it crossing the stone there a little bit, and it makes the stone lays actually, which is what the light spikes are, because the carbon 14 in a diamond gives off electrons at the exact wavelength of the light that's exciting it. So if I use a laser on it, I get, lasing diamonds. It lays in all frequencies. Watch this. Okay, now we have a green diamond laser, and it lights up green. Okay, well, not many things will do that. Plastic does. Plastic is also carbon. Glass does not, as you probably are aware of. If you take a piece of glass and you shine a laser through it, it makes one little spot where the laser's going through. Whoa! And it does not do this. It does not laze back at you with even more energy than you put in, because it doesn't have carbon 14 in it. And that's what we're seeing here, is the beta emissions of carbon 14. It will do so in any wavelength. So we've gone red, green, and now we've got blue. And it glows in the ultraviolet. And you can see this one, because this one's small enough where it actually runs into the carbon particles. So it tells us that these atoms of carbon are half the size of this particular shade of violet or purple or whatever that is. And this is indeed 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness. And it's really, really clear and really, really reflective. And when you put your finger underneath of it, looks like it's filling up the whole thing. Okay, so here's the here's the punchline on large diamonds. Okay, there is exactly zero market for bazillion-dollar diamonds, because nobody actually has a bazillion dollars to spend on one fucking rock. Nobody's that stupid. They know, the people who sell you diamonds know that they're not, in fact, rare at all or hard to find. I get them on eBay for about $5, and we call them paperweights because that's what they're good for.